His mother moved in and brought bed bugs from secondhand furniture. One exterminator quoted $3,000, no guarantee. He tried pesticides, ultrasonic gadgets, and weak heaters. None held a lethal temperature. The bugs always came back. He found a used PestPro 240-volt heater, heavy gauge steel, built to last. One call to Michael gave him answers. He ran the heater, fan, and sensors to 140 degrees. Bugs he couldn't find came out of hiding. No professional looks further. Own the system that works. Call PestPro Thermal at 970-443-8119.